Welcome to InfaMath YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. Determine the smallest positive integer y for which there is a positive integer x satisfying the equation 2 power 13 plus 2 power 10 plus 2 power x equal y power 2. One of the first things we should do is take out the 2 power 10 as a common factor. Remain as 2 power 3 plus 1. We can write it as a 9. Now we can get 2 power 10 times 9 as a square of 2 power 5 times 3. The answer is 96. Now we have 96 square plus 2 power x equal y power 2. Then, 96 square moves to the other side. According to the difference of two squares, y square minus 96 square can write as y plus 96 times y minus 96. Since y is an integer and the left side is equal to 2 power x, both y minus 96 and y plus 96 must be a power of 2. So, we can take this one as 2 power m and this one as 2 power n. So, now how we can solve these equations? We write down these two equations separately. First of all, we should subtract these two equations. Then, we have 2 power m minus 2 power n equal 192. We can rewrite 192 as 2 power 6 times 3. Then divide both sides by 2 power 6. According to the indices rule, 2 power m divided by 2 power 6 can write as 2 power minus 6. Do the same thing for 2 power n. According to the question, we should get the smallest positive integers of y. So 4 minus 1 is the smallest value that we can take for 3. So we can take this one as 4 and this one as 1. Then we consider 2 power m minus 6 equal 4. Four can rewrite as 2 power 2. Now we can take m minus 6 to equal 2. Because bases are same for both sides. The answer is m equal to 8. Then substitute the m value for the above equation. Y plus 96 equal to 2 power 8. Move 96 to the other side. Then we have y equal 256 minus 96. So, y equals 160. If we do the same things for 2 power n minus 6 equals 1. The y value stays the same. So, the smallest positive integer of y is 160. To watch and solve this type of mathematical questions, please subscribe us. Thank you.